Okay, good evening, everyone. So we can start. So last class में what we were discussing? Okay. So unit digit वाला concept we were discussing. Okay, this was the last question. Okay. So this we discussed. This. Okay. ठीक है. So unit digit we were discussing, and few more questions we can discuss. Then we'll that I will do. Then we'll start this listing of numbers. Okay. So let me see. Okay, fine. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. So we were discussing like unit digit में what we discussed till now. Unit digit. We have started with 0, 1, 2, 3. This way we were discussing. तो उसमें what we discussed, power वाले terms we were discussing. The first thing, how we calculate unit digit. If we take numbers का multiplication. So how we can calculate unit digit here? Take unit digit and multiply. See in the product what is coming at unit place. Like here, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. What we are getting at unit place of this product? I mean, total is coming as 120. At unit place, it is coming 0. So this way we calculate unit digit. Achha. Then we discussed power wale term, like 10k power, any number if I write 192. So what will be at unit place? Here 0 is in base. So we are going to write this number this way, 10 into 10, 10 this way. Total 192 terms. And we can multiply unit digits. What we are going to get at unit place? 0 ko, if we multiply any number, what we are going to get? 0 only. So in this expression, 10k power 192, what will be the unit digit? Unit digit will be 0. So here we need to understand what we are discussing about. We are discussing about only unit digits. So unit digit will be 0. So with this we can understand any number, if it is written and at the end 0 is there, this ke power any number like 1, 2, 9, 3, 1. If this is the number, this way any number is written and it is asked what will be the unit digit, our answer will be 0. 0 के पार any number, every time we are going to get 0. अब number, that means natural number we are talking about, correct? Natural number, because if we write 10 के पार 0, what we are going to get? 1. But 0 is not natural number. So whenever we are talking about this expression, any number, base, this is base, this is power. Base में if we are getting 0 at unit place and इसके पार any number, every time we are going to get 0 at unit place. So first thing we have got this way कि 0 के पार any natural number and what we are getting? Unit digit as 0. This is the first thing we understood. Unit digit will be 0. After this, second variation, at unit place if 1 is coming, like 1 के पार any number, 1 के पार 1, 1 के पार 200, 1 के पार 1 lakh, what we are going to get at unit place? 1. Unit place क्या एक ही आएगा ही, 1 digit will be our answer. 1 के पार any number, we are going to get 1. Here also 1. So this is if 1 के पार is it is written. Suppose if we are writing 11 के पार 1, 2, 3, and the question is कि what will be the unit digit? So here unit place पे base में 1 है, so we'll read this number as 1 के पार 1, 2, 3. What will be at unit place? 1. So if I ask you anything, any question like this, 9, 0, 0, 1 के पार 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. What will be the unit digit here? So we'll read this number this way. This number को will read this way कि 1 के पार 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. We are reading this way. Why? In terms of if we are finding unit digit, then only we can read this as this. इसको will read 1 के पार 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 0. Then 1 के पार any number at unit place, what we are going to get? 1 only. 1 will be at unit place or unit digit. So this way, any big number they are asking, simply the answer is this 1. यहाँ base में at unit place पे 1 is coming. Correct? Everyone? Acha. Then third, we can look for 4. 4 के पार, if 1 I write, 4 के पार 1, value 4. 4 के पार 2, value 16. 4 के पार 3, 64. 4 के पार 4, 256. So what we are getting here, can we see some trend? The trend is this, कि 4 के पार 1, we are getting at unit place 4. 4 के पार 3, again we are getting at unit place 4. And the same way this trend is going to get repeated. If 4 के पार 2 at unit place, what we are getting? 6. 4 के पार 4, again we are getting 6. So with this, can we say something? What we can say? 4 के पार 1 is odd number. 4 के पार odd number. What we are going to get? Unit digit 4. 4 के पार even number, what we are going to get? 6. So this trend we have seen कि 4 के पार 1. So we are talking about, this topic is all about unit digits only. तो 4 के पार if odd number is coming, we'll say कि at unit place what is going to come? 4. If 4 के पार even number, we can say कि at unit place 6 is coming. And this will happen every time. Whatever the number you take, if I ask you this way, कि 4 के पार 1, 9, 2, 5, 7, 6. What will be at unit place? Unit digit? We just need to see here कि 4 के पार odd number or even number. How we see कि a number is odd or even? Last digit is divisible by 2. तो even number की definition ये है कि that number should be divisible by 2. And how we can identify कि that number is divisible by 2? Divisibility rule of 2. Last digit is either 0 or divisible by 2. So this 6 is divisible by 2. So we can say कि this number is even or odd? Even number, because 6 2 से कट रहा है. So we can say 4 के पार we have even number. 4 के पार even number. Whenever we are getting 4 के पार even number, so what will be the unit digit? 4 के पार even number? 6. 6 will be our answer. So this way we don't need to remember also. We can just see कि 4 के पार 1 what is coming? 4. 4 के पार 2 unit place पे 6 is coming. तो 1, 4 और 6 will treat this way. ठीक है? This way we can proceed. अच्छा, तो this we understood. Then if I write any number this way, कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. This के पार 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. What will be the unit digit here? 4. So how we can calculate here? We'll read this number as, इसको हटाया, we'll read this number as 4 के पार 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And 4 के पार, this is odd number because this last digit is not divisible by 2. So we can say that this number is odd number. 7 is not divisible by 2. We are getting some remainder. So we can say 4 के पार we have odd number. If 4 के पार odd number, what will be the unit digit? 4 के पार 1, 4. Answer will be 4. So this way, if we don't see these concepts in the examination, if it is coming, it will be difficult for us to see ki how we can calculate the value of this term. It is so big, but we have some rules, some observations which we can apply. So these are basically the observations, correct? So this way, and we have discussed this also in the previous class, just I am revising the things. Okay, itna ho gaya. Then we have 4 के बाद we can see 5. 5 के पार 1, unit place पे 5 और 5 will be the value. 5 के पार 2, 25. 5 के पार 3, 125. So what we can see here? Any trend which we can observe here? What is that trend? कि at unit place 5 is coming. So every time we can see कि unit place पे 5 is coming when 5 के पार any number we are putting. So 5 के पार any number, if I write 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, what will be the unit digit? 5 के पार any number, every time at unit place what is going to come? 5. Yes, please. हाँ, so someone told me to revise the things. तो थोड़ा briefly I am revising the things. ठीक है. So this is 5. So if we are writing this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 के पार any number, if I write 1, 2, 5, 0, 5, 0, what will be the unit digit? इसको will read this way, 5 के पार any number, unit place पे what will come? 5. Very simple. Then we have 6. 6 के पार 1, 6. 6 के पार 2, 36. 6 के पार 3, 216. So what we can see at unit place every time 6 is coming. So 6 के पार any number, natural number, unit place पे what is going to come? 6. Unit digit will be 6. Then we have 9. 9 वाला concept. 9 के पार 1, 9. 9 के पार 2, 81. So at unit place 9, 1. Further we can see 9 के पार 3, 81 into 9. At unit place what we are getting? unit place पे 9. 9 के पार 4, 9 into 9. Unit place पे 1 is coming. So this is also repeating. So we can say 9 के पार odd number. At unit place what value will come? 9. 9 के पार even number. What value we are getting? 1. Very simple. After this we discussed about one formula. One formula we discussed to calculate for 2, 3 and 7, 8. After this we discussed कि 2 के पार some number is given, 3 के पार some number is given, then we have 7 के पार some number is given, 8 के पार some number is given. And if they are asking about unit digit, then what we are going to do? What we discussed in the previous class, कि one formula we have devised with the help of 2 key cyclicity. 2 key cyclicity is 4. So what we are going to do? Suppose 2 के पार 1, 9, 3 is there. What will be at unit place? First step में suppose a के पार p is the number. ठीक है. First step में last 2 digits of par उसको we are dividing by 4. Then what we were looking? Remainder. We are looking for what remainder we are getting. And note me what we have written. If r is equal to 0, then we'll write r is equal to 4. Then second step में a के पार p will have the same unit digit as a के पार r will have. This way we have devised this formula. Ab with the help of this, can we calculate for 2 के पार 193? Suppose the question is this. 2 के पार 193. The question is calculate unit digit. So what we are going to do here? First step में 93 को will divide by 4 or 2? 4. 4 का divisibility rule we are going to apply. Then we'll see कि what remainder we are getting. What remainder we are getting here? 1. If remainder is coming 1, then the next step, this number 2 के पार 193 will have the same unit digit as 2 के पार 1 will have. 2 के पार 1 is equal to 2. इसमें यूनिट प्लेस पे 2 इज कमिंग, दैट मीन्स 2 इज आर आंसर, 2 is our answer. So this way we can get the answer as 2. So basically we understood this. अब इसके बाद so we have done some questions also. कुछ questions किए थे हमने? Okay. अच्छा, इसी में if I ask you कि 1 2 3 4 2 के पार 1 5 0, what will be the unit digit? 4. So इस नंबर को we can read this way कि 2 के पार 150. So first step में will calculate remainders 50 by 4. What remainder we are getting here? 2. Second step में this number will have the same unit digit as 2 के पार r will have, r क्या है? 2. कितना आ गया? 4 will be our answer. So this way, if any power term is written, we can apply this formula 2 steps में, we can apply this formula in 2 steps and will get the answer for unit digit. कोई भी नंबर हो, we can get the answer. कर सकते हैं ऐसा? अच्छा. Then we'll try to discuss. अच्छा, previous year questions also we discussed, I guess. इससे related some questions we discussed. Last year one question came this way. Remainder. So we are that we'll discuss after this. That is the second thing. Like divisibility rule में we discussed कि what is divisibility rule. Then we discussed कि how we calculate remainders. So that we discussed. So here also we'll try to see if remainder they are asking and the number is in power terms, like 2 के power something, 8 के power something, 7 के power something, and that number is getting divided by any number 2 4 6 this way. We'll try to see how we can calculate remainders. ठीक है. अच्छा, तो this year one question was asked, वो तो बड़ा ही सिंपल था. Okay, this was the question, I guess. 57242. The question was this way: 57242 के पार 9 into 7, 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 into 1. This was the question this year, 23 में. This question was asked, and the question was about unit digit. Ki what will be the unit digit here? What will be the answer? 2. So here we can take this value. What will be the value of this after multiplying? 245 कि 345 कितना आ रहा है? 945. 945 आ रहा है ना? So here how we can proceed? We'll read this number this way. This is 2 के पार. What is the value of this? 945. This way we can read. What will be the unit digit here? The same unit digit will be having by this number. So here 2 के a के पार p. First step में will calculate remainders. Last 2 digit of the power 45. So if we divide by 4, what remainder we are getting? 1. Second step में this number will have the same unit digit as 2 के पार. Remainder 1 will have. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. So within 20-30 seconds we can get the answer for this. ठीक है. अच्छा. Okay. Then we also discuss about some questions like कि this way. If I write some number 1, 2, 3, 4. Just let me see what is the question. With this question, I guess we discussed. Write on this 171A, not this. 171A. A is a digit here. Like 1, 7, A key, some values will be there. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. ऐसे some values it can take. Multiplied by 1413, 1413, multiplied by 729, 729, multiplied by 2015. Huh. So if this is the question, I mean this information is given in the question. This is a product, and it is also given कि unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. So the question is, how many values, maximum possible values, how many maximum possible values E can take? E can take. This is the question. 5 or 4? How many maximum possible values A can take? So we just need to count कि A can take this value, this value, this value. Then we need to count. So what answer we are getting? 4? 5? 5. So this I think we discussed in the previous class. Nahi, not discussed. Okay. So unit digit is 0. How it can come? This is unit digit here, A, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 5. And unit place pe what we are getting? 0. So 9 into 5 into 3. What we are getting? 135. Chalo, मान लो 135. So here unit place pe we are getting 5. So A into 5, unit place pe 0 is coming. So what values A can take? 5 into 0, then also 0. 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10. At unit place, again 0 is coming. 5 into 4, again 20, 0 is coming. 5 into 6, 30, again 0 is coming. 8, again 0 is coming. At unit place, 0 is coming. So how many values A can take? Total 5 such values. So A की जगह पे we can put 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And we have also discussed कि 5 and 2 का one pair, that means 1 0 is there. But here 0 can also be a value. तो 2, 4, 6, 8 तो वैसे ही आ गया. 0 we can put here. कि digits can take values 0 से 9 तक. 0 से 9 तक what values we can put so that we get 0 at the end? This way. Only these possibilities are there. Correct? These possibilities are there. Okay, we can write another question. That is, write down the question. Ki find unit digit of the expression 199 के पावर 2n plus 144 के पावर 3. This is the expression, and what is asked? Find the unit digit. We need to find out unit digit. Options are this way: 5, 7, 5 or 7, D, none. Try to see this question and see what answer you are getting. Take 2 minutes. And whenever you feel that you are not getting this concept, you're not getting this solution, any step, do ask me questions. उसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, question पूछना है. Just try to get the things. 5 or 7 or 5 only? Both? So here this number we can read base में 9 is there. तो 9 के पार 2n. अच्छा हाँ, एक चीज और थी. Everywhere we are taking n as natural number. N as natural number. This 2n is like 2 into n. This way we need to take. तो 9 के पार 2n, that means 9 के पार even number, and 4 के पार 3n, that will be odd number. Even and odd both. Even and odd both will be. So this way we can proceed. So online student, what can be the answer? Okay, see here. So we can write this as, this is, will read this 199 के पार 2n. यहाँ पे we can calculate, for this step we can calculate what is coming at unit place. So we'll read this number as 9 के पार 2n. 2n, that means this term will always be divisible by 2. n की value whatever you put, every time 2 is the multiplier here, 2 से तो divide होगा, correct? C. So we can see this way कि this is 9 के पार even number. So what will be at unit place? Even number. 9 के पार 2, 81, 1, 1. 1 will be at unit place for the first term. Then for the second term, 144 के पार 3n. 3n. So this 3n, so we'll read this as 4 के पार 3n. So n key value, if we put 0, we cannot put because n is a natural number. n की value 1 पे it is coming 3, 2 पे it is coming 6, फिर 4 पे भी it will be, so we can see this way, n की value if we put 1 it is coming 3, 2 पे 6, 3 पे 9, 4 पे 12. So this way we can see कि odd, even, both possibility we can see here. So we can say कि this is 4 के पार odd and another possibility is 4 के पार even. Both possibilities are there. 2n है ना, because this is 2n. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. So every time this is divisible by 2, correct? So if 4 के पार odd number, what will be at unit place? 4 के पार 1, 4. 4 के पार even number, 4 के पार 2, 6. 6. So यहाँ से we are getting 2 possibility and here we are getting just 1 possibility. So unit place पे, if 2 numbers are added, so we need to add just unit place वाला number and we'll see कि what is coming at unit place. So 1 plus 1, first possibility 4, second possibility if we club 1 plus 6. So what we are getting? 5, 7. So these two possibilities we can have, 5 or 7. Both possibility we can have here, correct? Both possibility. So answer will be C. Answer will be C. Understood? Okay. Further we can do some more questions. This everyone has written. We can proceed. Okay. Write down another question. Find the unit digit. Find the unit digit of the expression 1 के पार 1, 3 के पार 3, 5 के पार 5, 7 के पार 7, 9 के पार 9, this way. Till 99 के पार 99. We need to find out here unit digit. 0 आएगा. 5 वाले में we also discussed one concept. If 5 को we multiply by 5 को अगर 1 से multiply करें at unit place, 5 को if we multiply by 2, so 5 को if we multiply by odd numbers at unit place, what we are going to get? 5. 5 को if we multiply by even number at unit place, 0. 5 को if we multiply by odd number at unit place, what we are going to get? 5. 5 at unit place. 5 को if we multiply by even number at unit place, 0. Now apply this thing here. 5 will be the answer. So जब भी whenever we get 5, so we'll try to see this way also. Correct. Sorry. Why we are checking this expression by 5? 1, 3, 7, 9. So we are getting some series. इसमें क्या मिल रहा है? Other than 5, all the numbers are odd numbers. If we multiply all the odd numbers, what we are going to get? Odd numbers. So 5 को basically we are multiplying by odd numbers. So 5 into odd number at unit place, what we are going to get? 5 only. This way they can ask. 10 के पार 10. Sorry. हाँ 10 के पार 10 it will not come. 3, 5, 2, 2 का difference है. So like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, this way it will proceed. So we are not going to get any even number here. Every term पे we are getting odd numbers. Correct? Odd numbers. अच्छा, तो mostly we have discussed. अच्छा, one more question. Write down this question. What will be the rightmost non-zero digit of the number 70 के पार 4927. The rightmost non-zero digit. Here it is not asked about the unit digit. थोड़ा सा different question. So we know कि what will be the unit digit here in this expression? 0 के पार any number. 0 will be there at unit place. But the question is कि rightmost non-zero digit. So some zeros will be there at the end. When we are getting any number other than 0, that digit we need to find out. That digit. ये digit चाहिए. This we need to calculate. See what you can do. And try to get the answer for this question. Take 1.5 minute. 4, 3. 3 आ रहा है? Can you elaborate this one again? Which one, Sudhanshu? The previous question? First discuss this. Just try to understand this. And after this discussion, I will take the previous one. So what answer we are getting here? 3? 3 आ रहा है? See, for this we need to understand if you are getting big numbers, so what we can do, take like par में 4927 is written. So take smaller pars. 70 के par 2. 70 के par 2 में what will be the value? 70 into 70. It is coming like we can write इसको 7 into 7 into 10 into 10. 4900. So the first non-zero digit is coming. That is coming from here. 7 into 7. 49 में 9 is the first non-zero digit. Correct. So what we have written 70 square को 7 into 10 का square. इसको we have written 7 square into 10 का square. So all the zeros will come from this 10 का square. And the first non-zero digit will be coming from this term. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Try to get this idea. हाँ? But here क्या है यहाँ पे? ये क्या किया हमने? 70 स्क्वायर है ना? तो यहाँ पे कुछ गलत लिखा हमने? सही लिखा है सब? 70 into 7 we can write. इसमें 2 zeros are coming. After 2 zeros, some digit will come. What will be that digit? 7 into 7, 49 वाला जो 9 है, that will be the first non-zero digit. 7 into 7 into 10 into 10 we can write. 70 को 7 into 10 we have written 7 square into 10 square. If this way we can write the same thing we can apply here. Try to apply this thing. क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे? आ रहा है? Try to understand this. If you're not getting, I will explain it again. 3 will be the answer. Correct. So see here. This is the question. 70 के पार 4927. So we can write this way. 7 into 10 के पार 4927. This we can write this way. 7 के पार 4927 multiplied by 10 के पार 4927. So all the zeros will come from this. 4927 zeros will be there in this expression. After then, right से आ रहे हैं हम लोग इधर से. After then, we are going to get one non-zero digit. What will be that? इसमें if we calculate unit digit. So this number में what will be the unit digit? 7 के पार 4927. We can apply this formula. कि first step में last two digits 27 को divide by 4. See what remainder we are getting. कितना मिला remainder? 3. Then this number will have the same unit digit as 7 के पार 3 will have. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 3 4 3. 49 into 7. 3 आ जाएगा unit place पे. That means after 4927 zeros, the first non-zero digit will be 3. This way, some other digits will also come, but first non-zero digit will be coming from this 7 के पार वाला term. So this we need to understand. If we understand this, सबसे छोटा concept like this, 70 square वाला concept we can understand. इसमें are we able to get this idea? कि how first non-zero digit is coming. All the zeros will come from this 10. 70 को we can write 10 into 7. 7 square. 7 square multiplied by 10 square. All the zeros will come from this 10 square से. Then first non-zero digit will come from this 7 square. We can say कि 7 square is 49. So 49 में 9 is at unit place. अब यहाँ पे तो फॉर्मूला लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है कि फर्स्ट स्टेप सेकंड स्टेप वी आर डूइंग. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर रिमाइंडर्स एंड देन तो 7 के पार 2 ही आएगा. द सेम वे वी कैन राइट दिस एक्सप्रेशन दिस वे. Is 70 के पार 2 is an yes it is an assumption to make you understand कि what we are doing for this number. then why only 70 के power 2? Because this is the smallest number, 70 के power 2. We can take 70 के power 3, 4, 5, 6. So every time we can get this idea कि this non-zero digit is coming this way only. ठीक है? Correct? अगर यहीं पे if I write 80 के power something, 90 के power something, then also the same way we are going to approach. Correct, Sudhanshu? So I have taken that smaller number so that we can understand. Then we can replicate this idea here to get the answer. So here, अब 7 के पार 4927, what will be at unit place? अब multiply करके we cannot get, but we have already understood if this way some number is given, the resultant number में what will be at unit place? We can apply this formula and get कि इस number को if we expand at unit place, what we are going to get? 3. So 3 will be our answer. 3 will be our answer. This way we can get this idea. Achha. The same way if we do this, another question, कि rightmost non-zero digit for 80 के पार 1927. What will be the rightmost non-zero digit here in this expression? Try to get the answer for this question. Two आ रहा है या जो भी आ रहा है, just try to see, go step by step. So first step में we'll break it 8 into 10, 1927. This way we are going to break. Correct? So we can write this 8 के पार 1927, 10 के पार 1927. This way we can write. All the zeros will come from this term. First non-zero digit will come from here. And that digit will be unit digit for this number. That will be the unit digit for this number. अब this number का unit digit we can calculate. First step में this 27 को we can divide by 4. What remainder we are getting here? 3. Second step में this number will have the same unit digit as 8 के पार 3 will have. कितना आएगा? 2. Unit digit, हाँ, correct. So unit digit will be 2 here. Correct. So anywhere, समझ में आ रहा है? If you're not getting, just ask questions. ठीक है? आ गया आपको? कहीं पे कुछ, are you getting some difficulty here? Sorry? अच्छा, this 27 by 4. See, this what we are doing in the previous classes. We discussed कि how we calculate unit digits. इसमें भी briefly we discussed. So we have devised one formula that we have written कि if any number is written a के पार p के फॉर्म का, a के पार p के फॉर्म का, so what will be the unit digit here? So how we can get that unit digit? This is a के पार p, 8 के पार 1927. So first step में what we do? कि we take last 2 digits of the power, उसको we divide by 4 and we'll try to see कि what remainder we are getting. So previous class एक बार फिर से देखना, last part, उसमें we have discussed in detail कि why we are doing these things to calculate and get the unit digit. So first step में we calculate कि what remainder we are getting. 4 का divisibility rule लगा के 27 को 4 से divide किया. So what remainder we are getting? 3. Correct. Second step में 8 is the base, 8 के पार 3. Whatever the value is coming, उसमें we'll try to see कि what unit place पे क्या digit आ रही है. So unit place पे what digit is coming here? 8 के power 3. If we expand 64 into 8, 8 into 4, 32, मतलब 2 आ रहा है. So 2 will be the answer. Just go through the previous class and see कि कैसे we have devised this formula. कि cyclicity 8 की 4 होती है, 2 की 4 होती है, then we have 3 की cyclicity is 4, 7 की cyclicity is 4. That means after every 4 powers, the same unit digit are getting repeated. Like we have seen 4 के power 1, so we are getting unit place पे 4, 4 के power 2, we are getting at unit place 6. Unit place पे 4 के power 2, 16, 6. Correct? So this way, try to see 2 का ऐसे करके देखना, एंड लास्ट क्लास देखना जरूर, उसमें वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस थिंग इन डिटेल कि 2 के पावर 1 यूनिट प्लेस पे 2, 2 के पावर 2 4, 2 के पावर 3 8, 2 के पावर 4 6. आफ्टर दिस इफ वी गो फॉर 2 के पावर 5, अगेन वी आर गेटिंग 32 2, अगेन वी आर गेटिंग 64 4, 2 के पावर 6 7 8, this way. So this cyclicity will go this way. After every 4 cycle, it will get repeated. ठीक है, तो ये निकाल लिया. Then we can discuss about remainder thing. कि power में if something is written, how we get remainders. तो remainder में we have discussed कि remainders are getting added, remainders are getting multiplied. If this way 7 into 8 into 9, if this is given 3 terms and we are dividing this by 7, what will be the remainder here? ये तो 7 7 से कट जा रहा है, it will be 0. But if we take each term, 7 को 7 से divide किया, what remainder we are getting? 0. 8 को if we divide by 7, what remainder we are getting? 1. 9 को 7 से, then if we multiply these remainders, that will be the final remainder for if these numbers are divided by 7. Final remainder 0. This way we can get the answer. Acha, if we are given more terms like 8 के पावर 1 9 2, if we divide this number by 7, so remainder वाला concept we are discussing. इसमें if this question is given कि 8 के पावर 192 and we are dividing by 7, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder here? 1. So we can apply this thing कि 8 के पावर, I mean 8 into 8, this way we are going to write 192 terms. इसको we are dividing by 7. Here also remainder we are getting 1. Here also 1. So everywhere we are getting remainders 1. So what will be the final remainder? 1. Final remainder we can multiply. So final remainder will be 1. 1 is our answer. 1 is our answer. Power को we cannot, power is not a number. We need to find out number here. 8 के power 192. That means 8 is getting multiplied 192 times. 192 is the counting. 8 के power 192. That means 8 is getting multiplied 192 times. So इसमें 192 से नहीं छेड़ना है इसको. We'll look for this number whole. 8 को 192 times we are multiplying. So these concepts we have already discussed, but like 7 into 8 into 9, Take like this, 7 into 8. If we divide by 6, what remainder we are going to get? ऐसे भी if we see 7 8 जा 56. 56 को if we divide by 6, what remainder we are getting here? 2. But if we apply this property of remainders, 7 को 6 से 1 remainder. 7 को 6 से if we divide, 1 remainder we are going to get. 8 को 6 से if we are dividing, 2 remainder we are getting. Then final remainder में here multiplication, so here also will multiply. 2 into 1, 2 will be the remainder. Same thing we are getting. So same thing we can apply here also. Here also we can apply the same thing. Correct? रिमाइंडर 0 आए तो ऊपर वाले में 0 आ गया तो 0 ही हो गया. See, if for one term 0 is coming remainder में and multiplication is there, वो तो उससे आसान कुछ है ही नहीं. That is the most simplest thing, because 0 से if we multiply any number, we are getting 0. Correct? 0. This just one second. हाँ, इसके बाद फिर आपका क्वेश्चन. हाँ, बताइए. See, that we need to understand why we were doing this remainder wala thing, 4 का divisibility rule, why we were applying to get unit digit. Correct? Unit digit के लिए we were applying that 4 का divisibility rule कि power को last 2 digits को we divide by 4 and see कि what remainder we are getting. That was for unit digit. But here the question is not about unit digit. The question is about remainders. तो remainders के लिए we need to have like idea of that number. उस number का idea we cannot get with the power only. We need to consider about base also. ठीक है? That is why we cannot replicate that thing कि 4 से divide किया, see कि what remainder we are getting. That remainder is only telling about that cycle. उस cycle में first place पे it is coming, second place पे it is coming, third और fourth place पे it is coming. Correct? यहाँ पे the question is about remainder. So that way we need to see. Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is a theorem. उसको तो उससे तो पूछता नहीं है वैसे. But still we'll discuss. Remainder theorem भी will discuss. ठीक है? अच्छा. हाँ हाँ बताइए. हम्म. अच्छा, ask the question. बताइए क्वेश्चन क्या है. जैसे 9 के पार 192 डिवाइडेड बाई 7. इसे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे आप लोग बताइए. इफ 9 के पार 192, सो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. वी कैन राइट दिस वे अगेन. 192 टाइम्स we are dividing by 7, so everywhere what we are getting 2 remainder, so final will be 2 192 times, है ना. that means 2 के पार 192 is the remainder, but remainder cannot be more than 7. Here 7 से we are dividing, so remainder cannot be more than this number. So earlier also we discussed, if remainder is coming more than number, again we are going to divide by 7. इसको again will divide by 7, and what remainder is coming, that will be our answer. So see here 2 के पार 192, so 2 के पार, if this way, this is the second variation I am going to discuss. तो अभी से discuss कर लेते हैं यहीं से with this question itself. 2 के पार 192, everywhere 2 is there, but in denominator we have 7, so we need to have a number which is bigger than 7. How we can get? If we take 2 के पार 3 वाले pair, 2 के पार 3, what we can get? 8. So 192 by 3 क्या होगा? Like इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 के पार 3, 2 के पार 3 2 के पावर 3. This way how many times we can write this? 192 को इस 3 से डिवाइड करें कितना आ जाएगा? 64. 64 आ गया. सो वी कैन राइट दिस वे कि 2 के पावर 3 के पावर 64 वी कैन राइट कि नहीं? 2 के पावर 192 को वी कैन राइट 2 के पावर 3 बाई 64. दिस वी कैन राइट. अब इसको वी कैन राइट 8 के पावर 64. इसको डिवाइड बाई 7. व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग हियर? 1. 7 से डिवाइड करने वाली चीज है ना ये. नॉट लाइक 2 के पार की बात कर रहे हैं ना. 3 के पार, 3 के पार में 8 विल नॉट कम. 3 के पार में 3 करेंगे 9 विल कम, है ना. सो दिस वे विल सी सम मोर वेरिएशन विल सी. तो इस तरीके से इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ वेरिएशन इज देयर, तो व्हाट विल ट्राई टू डू? विल ट्राई टू मेक दैट नंबर बिगर देन डिनोमिनेटर. हाउ वी कैन मेक दैट? विल सी सम कॉम्बिनेशन कि दिस 2 के पावर 192 को हाउ वी कैन राइट दिस 64 into 3. 2 के पावर 3 के पावर 64 into 3 we are getting 192. So this way some modification we need to see. Correct? Okay, sir, but here already 2 is less than 7. Then what is the need to solve it further? See, 2 के पावर में it is coming. Not just 2 we are getting. We are getting the number, the remainder 2 के पावर 192. This cannot be the remainder. That is more than 7. So we need to get a value which is less than 7. So for that we need to further divide by 7. 6 के पार वाला one question we have done. उसमें 6 के पार something was coming, like 6 के पार 36 or something, it was coming as remainder. Plus वाला था, addition वाला in class 2nd or 3rd I guess. There also we discussed this property. इसमें एक और चीज होती है, one more thing we can see, like some trend we can observe. Some trend we can observe, like 6 के पावर 1. अच्छा, यहां से शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है, 6 वाला डिविजिबिलिटी देखते हैं. लाइक 2 के पावर 1 को इफ वी डिवाइड बाई 6, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग? 2 को इफ वी डिवाइड बाई 6, व्हाट रिमाइंडर? 2. 2 ही आएगा ना रिमाइंडर. 2 को अगर 6 से डिवाइड करें, रिमाइंडर इज 2. 2 के पावर 2 को इफ वी डिवाइड बाई 6, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग? 4. 2 के पावर 3 को इफ वी डिवाइड बाई 6, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग? 2. 2 के पावर 4 को इफ वी डिवाइड बाई 6, what remainder we are getting? So we can see some trend कि 2 के पार if we are having odd number and if we divide by 6, what remainder we are getting? Odd number, remainder is 2. 2 के पार even number, if we divide by 6, what remainder we are getting? Even number 6, नहीं 4, even number 4. So this way, whenever it is asked about remainders and power की term में something is given, first thing we'll try to check for some trend. अगर if you're not able to find that way कि 8 को 7 से divide कर रहे हैं, we are getting remainder 1, that is very simple question. But if you're not getting that thing, we can go for this trend. Like this way, one question was asked this year itself. It was asked कि 2 के पार 192, 2 के पार 192 को if we divide by 6, what remainder we can get? What will be the remainder? This was the question asked in 23 this year. So we have seen the trend कि 2 को if we divide by 6, 2 square को if we divide by 6, 2 cube को if we divide by 6. So we have got this idea कि 2 के पार if even number is there and if we divide by 6, what remainder we are getting? 4. And 2 के पार odd number, if we divide by 6, what we are getting remainder as? 2. So here we have 2 के पार even number. If we divide by 6, what answer we can get here for remainder? 2 के पार even number को if we divide by 6, remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Acha, if we don't see this trend, so first thing, if this way questions are asked, first try to see, are we getting some trend? So 4 parts tak just try to see. If you are getting trend, 2 ka milega cycle, like 2, 4, 2, 4 this way, or we can get 3 ka cycle. 3 ka cycle also we can get. So this way first we'll try to see, first step may we'll try to see, are we getting some trend? If we are getting that trend, with the help of that trend, we can generalize that thing and we'll see that this will be the answer. Acha, write down another question. Abhi 6 se we have divided. Now the second question, 2 ke power 192 ko if we divide by 3, what will be the remainder? Here also try to see, are you getting some trend? One. So are we getting some trend here? नहीं, ऐसे ही आ जा रहा है. कैसे solve किया? So this is the approach we can follow. So whenever you come across these questions, number system may just try to take smaller numbers and see what idea you are getting. Then try to go for bigger numbers. Sometimes it may happen we have not discussed that thing, but still it is coming in the examination. Try to get for this idea. Take smaller numbers and see how the results are coming. Then try to replicate the same thing for the question. Correct? So here if we see 2 ke power 1, if we divide by 3, what remainder we are getting here? Remainder 2 को 3 से divide किया, 2 के power 2 को 3 से divide किया, what remainder we are getting? 1. 2 के power 3 को 3 से divide किया, remainder 2. 2 के power 4 3 से divide किया, remainder 1. So we are getting this trend. 2 के power odd number, remainder is 2. 2 के power even number, remainder is 1. So here 2 के power we have even number. If we divide by 3, what remainder we can get? Even number पे 1. 1 will be our answer. Simple hai? Correct. This way we can understand. And try to get this idea ki how we are getting this. Don't go for formula. If we are devising something, how we are getting that idea. That is important. How we are getting these ideas so that we can apply it anywhere. So how we are getting those ideas, that is more important for UPSC. SSC ke exam ke liye, it is okay. Just go for formulas and see ki how you are getting the answers. But here UPSC will ask conventional type questions. So we need to have this idea. अच्छा तो अभी ब्रेक ले लेते हैं 10-15 मिनट का. Then we'll start some more questions. Then we'll start with listing of numbers. Another topic. कि listing of numbers से how question is being asked every year. ठीक है. So we can start. अच्छा 2 के पावर 192/3 192/6 this way we have done. अच्छा if I write this way कि 2 के पावर 192 की जगह पे if I write 1, इसको if I divide by 7, what remainder we can get? Are we getting some trend here? ट्रेंड नहीं आ रहा है कुछ. So we are not getting any trend here. हाँ, like 3 का भी cycle it can be there. 3 का trend आ रहा है. So that also we can see. Or what we can do? We can make it 8. 191 को if we divide by, like how we can write this कि 2 के पावर 3 2 के पावर 3 this way if we are writing, can we make this way? 2 के पावर 2 को if we can separate, like 191 को if we divide by 3, so what remainder we are getting here? 2. So that means if we write this way, इसको 2 के पावर 2 into 2 के पावर 189, this way we can write or not? 2 के पावर 191 को we can write 2 के पावर 2 multiplied by 2 के पावर 189, and we know this thing कि this is a के पावर m into a के पावर n. We write a के पावर m plus n ना, this way only we write. That means this is 2 के पावर 189 plus 2 191. But why we are doing this? 2 के पावर 189 को we can write 2 के पावर 3. 2 के पावर 3 how many times? So we can write this way कि 2 के पावर 2 into 2 के पावर 3 into 63. 3 into 3 9, 3 into 6 18. The same thing we have written here for this term. This is understood. So इसको we can write 4 इंटू 2 के पावर 3 8, 8 के पावर 63, एंड वी आर डिवाइडिंग दिस नंबर बाई, किसे डिवाइड कर रहे थे? 7, 7 से वी वर डिवाइडिंग. So this we have got. So what will be the remainder? First term say what remainder we are getting? 4. And second term say, like 63 terms are there, and everywhere we are getting remainder 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 is multiplied how many times? 63 times. So what will be the remainder? 4. 4 will be the remainder. And also कैसे लगाया था आपने? What approach did you follow here? Same approach? Correct. So this way also we can follow, or we can see the trend. Trend भी मिला था 3 का trend we were getting. So for this question trend नहीं मिल रहा था. So this way we understood. ये वाला approach we can take if we are trying to see the trend. 2 के power 1 को if we divide by 7, what remainder we are getting here? 2. 2 के power 2 को if we divide by 7, what remainder we are getting? 4. 2 के power 3, remainder 1. Then 2 के power 4 को if we divide by 7, 2. 2 के power 5 को if we divide by 7, 4. 2 के power 6, remainder 1. So we can see here कुछ ट्रेंड आ रहा है. 4 1 2 आया, फिर 4 1, 2 के पावर 7, तो इफ वी डिवाइड बाई 7 क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. सो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है. सो 3 के साइकिल्स में वी कैन सी इवन नंबर में 2 के पावर 4, 2 के पावर 2 में वी आर गेटिंग 4, 2 के पावर 4 में वी आर गेटिंग 2. So even number we cannot say कि 2 के पावर even number we are getting remainder 1 number, we are getting 4 and 2 both. So we are getting 3 की cycle. हाँ बताइए. 1 is also, हाँ even number पे 1 भी आ रहा है. Yes. So we cannot say this way. The idea is कि even number पे if same number is coming then only we can say कि 2 के पावर even number we are dividing by some number, we are getting this remainder the way we did for 6 and 3. But here we are not getting this way even odd wala, but what we are getting cycle of 3. So we can apply this thing. Question में क्या है? 2 के पावर 191 को if we divide by 7, what will be the remainder? So we need to see कि how many 3 की cycle is there 191 में. 191 को if we divide by 3, what remainder we are getting? कितना remainder आया? 2. If remainder is 2, that means in this cycle second place पे what is the remainder? That will be our answer. So cycle पे in this 3 की cycle second place, this is the first. If remainder is coming 1, this is the second. If 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर अगर 2 आ रहा है तो आंसर विल बी 4. सो दिस वे वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लग रहा है थोड़ा सा. साइक्लिसिटी इज 3 हियर. एवरी 3 साइकिल के बाद द सेम रिमाइंडर्स आर गेटिंग रिपीटेड. द सेम वे वी लुक फॉर 4 की like 2 की cyclicity we have seen, and we have seen that cyclicity in terms of unit digit. Here we are seeing the cyclicity in terms of remainders. So थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, तो इसलिए that is why I have discussed this idea कि this way we can approach. ठीक है. Here also, with this also we can see some trend and see ki every after 3 terms the remainders are getting repeated. So remainders are getting repeated, तो 3 cycle complete होने के बाद, so how many 3 की cycle we can make? 1 2 के पावर 191 है, तो how many cycles, complete cycles we can make 191 में? 63 cycles completed and remainder is 2. If remainder is coming 2, that means second place पे whatever the remainder we are getting, that will be our answer. अब यहीं पे रहता है 2 के पावर 190, 2 के पावर 190, then 190 को if we divide by 3, what remainder we are getting? 1. That means remainder will be the first place पे what we are getting? 2. If 192 is there, we are dividing by 7 this way. यहाँ पे देखना, if I am writing this way कि 2 के पावर 190, we are dividing this number by 7. What will be the remainder? We'll see कि how many cycles of 3 in this power 190 में है. 190 by 3. So what remainder we are getting? 1 remainder we are getting. That means at the first place, what remainder we are getting? So here remainder will be 2. If we are taking this way, 2 के पावर 192, 191 पे तो निकाल ही लिया हमने, that is coming to 192 को if we are dividing by 7, what remainder we are going to get? 192 है. So how many cycles? I mean remainder what we are getting? What remainder we are getting? I mean 3 से divide करना होगा ना, not 7 से. 3 की cycle चल रही है. 0. If remainder is coming 0, तो इस 3 की cycle में at which place we are going to see? Third place. तो कहाँ आया? 1 2 3, third place. Third place पे remainder we are getting 1. So 1 will be our answer. 1 will be our answer. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लग रहा है, but if you see the numbers कि how it is. Yes, I will, Sudhanshu, I will explain it again. So we can start this question again, like 2 के पावर 191 if we divide by 7 था, what remainder we are getting here? What remainder we can get here? So first approach we followed कि 2 के पावर 191 है, so we can make this number 2 more than 8, more than 7. So 2 के पावर 1 2, 2 के पावर 2 4, 2 के पावर 3 is 8. So 2 के पावर 3, 2 के पावर 3, this way if we write, so how many times this 2 के पावर 3 will come? 63 times. But if we write 63 times, so 63 into 2 into 3, what is coming? 189. That means 2 के पावर 2 is still we need to have, so we can multiply by 2 के पावर 2. So we can write this कि 2 के पावर 2 multiplied by 2 के पावर 3 whole के पावर 63. इसको we can divide by 7. We'll try to see कि what remainder we are getting. So 2 के पावर 2 को 7 से divide करेंगे, what remainder we are getting? 2 के पावर 2 is 4. 4 को 7 से divide करेंगे, 4 remainder multiplied by here 8. 8 into 8 into 8, 63 times. Every time one remainder is coming, 1. So this will be our answer. This will be our answer, 4. Correct? And second approach, what we followed? Ki we are looking for trend. Are we getting some trend? So what we have seen, ki 2 के पावर 1, if we divide by 7, what remainder we are getting? 2. 2 के पावर 2, को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग 4, 2 के पावर 3 7, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग 1, देन 2 के पावर 4 7, व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग 2, 2 के पावर 5 रिमाइंडर 4, 2 के पावर 6, what remainder we are getting 1. So 241 241 241, this way remainders are getting repeated and 3 key cycle we can see here, correct? 3 key cycle we can see. So we'll try to, question is this ki 2 ke power 191, we are dividing by 7, so 2 ke power 191, so 191 times 2 is coming 2 के पावर 1 2 3 this way. So in this cycle 3 की cycle है, तो how many 3 की completed cycle we can make? 191 को if we divide by 3, why we are dividing by 3? Because 3 की cycles we are making here. So quotient will be 63, remainder will be 2. That means 3 की completed cycle are 63. Then we are again in the first cycle and remainder is 2. That means at second term we have reached. Second term pe we have reached. Second term 2 ke power 2. If we divide by 7, so what remainder we are getting? 4. So our answer will be 4. Our answer will be 4. Correct? So if we understand this cyclicity wala concept, remainders में भी cyclicity का concept is there. Somewhere 2 की cyclicity, अगर 2 है तो even odd में we can get the answer. Otherwise 3 और 4 की cyclicity we are getting. So we need to see कि how many completed cycles are there and what remainder we are getting. तो यहाँ पे if I am writing this way 2 के power 193 को if I divide by 7, what remainder we can get here? So how we can see कि 193 में completed cycle of 3 quotient कितना जाएगा 64, remainder 1. Remainder 1 is coming, that means cycle में first place पे we have reached, and first place पे what remainder we are getting 2 will be our answer. So this way 7 वाले में just understand this कि 3 की cyclicity is there और whatever remainder we are getting वहां से if 1 remainder we are getting first term पे what remainder we are getting 2 remainder, second term पे what remainder we are getting, third term पे I mean 3 remainder is coming, that means 0. तो 0 पे what remainder we are getting 1. So this way we can understand. Like we have discussed 2 वाला डिस्कस किया नहीं डिनोमिनेटर पे है ना. So 3 का भी डिस्कस्ड, 6 का भी डिस्कस्ड एंड 7 डिस्कस्ड. इसके बाद 2 वाला देख लेते हैं. इफ वी हैव दिस वे नंबर लाइक 3 के पावर 193, if we divide by 2, what remainder we are getting? This is simple कि at every place remainder is coming as 1. 2 से divide कर रहे हैं, ठीक. If we are writing this way 4 के पावर 193 को 2 से divide कर रहे हैं, what remainder we can get here? 0. 5 के पावर 193 को if we are dividing by 2, what remainder we can get here? 1 आएगा. कैसे? 5 के पावर any number at unit place 5 will come. तो 2 का divisibility rule we can apply. यूनिट प्लेस पे जो भी नंबर है उसको यूनिट प्लेस पे एवरी टाइम 5 विल कम, 5 को डिवाइड बाई 2, See what remainder we are getting, 1. तो 2 वाला तो वेरी सिंपल है. हाउ इट इज वेरी सिंपल कि 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल वी कैन अप्लाई. वी जस्ट नीड टू सी फॉर यूनिट डिजिट. यूनिट डिजिट कोई भी नंबर है, जस्ट कैलकुलेट एंड सी कि व्हाट रिमाइंडर वी आर गेटिंग. If any question if I ask like 1, उसमें भी वही आएगा. जस्ट राइट दिस वे कि 6 के पार है तो रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. 6 के पार है अगर एनी नंबर 6 के पार 197, if we divide by 2, what remainder we are going to get? 0. If you are taking this way 7 के पार 197, if we divide by 2, what remainder we can get here? So 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो what remainder we can get? Either 0 or 1. तो 0 का मतलब that is divisible. If not, then we can say कि remainder will be 1 only. तो 1 आ गया. तो 2 वाला तो वेरी सिंपल. फिर इसके बाद 3 वाला तो देखा हमने. देन 4, 5 से if we divide like 6 के पार 5, 2, 2, 1. If we divide by 5, what remainder? 1 आ रहा है. 7 के पार 5, 6, 7. If we divide by 5, what remainder we can get? कैसे? 2 के पार 5, 6, 7. फिर 2 के पार 5, 6, 7 में लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स कैसे निकालेंगे? See here, this is the question. What will be the remainder? क्या आएगा आंसर? Try to see. 8. See 5 के पार, I mean if we are dividing by 5, any number like 13 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we can get? 3. 18 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 3. So how we are getting remainder when we are dividing by 5? Unit place पे if we are getting less than 5, so that number, that digit will be the remainder. If unit place पे we are getting number more than 5, उसको 5 से subtract किया, that will be the remainder. Try to understand this way. If you are getting any number like at unit place पे that number is less than 5, we are dividing by 5, what remainder we are getting? 1. What remainder we are getting? 2. Just see this trend. 13 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 3. 14 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 4. 15 से तो we are getting remainder 0. After 15, 16 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 1. 17 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 7 minus 5, 2. Then 18 को if we divide by 5, what remainder we are getting? 8 minus 5, 3. 19 को what remainder we are getting? So with this, can we say something? If we calculate unit digit and see ki what that unit digit is, if that is less than 5, we can say ki that is the remainder. If that unit digit is more than 5, like 7, 8, उसको 5 से minus करेंगे, that will be the remainder. आ रहा है समझ में ये? Yes? So see here, what was the question? Question क्या था? 7 के पार 7. This is the question. So here, can we calculate unit digit 7 के पार 5 6 7? 7 के पार 5 6 7. What will be the unit digit? अभी इस पे UPSC has not asked questions, but you asked, so you have created this question. So this is very important one, I guess. So what will be the unit? First step में we'll take last two digits of par, उसको we'll divide by 4. We'll see कि what remainder we are getting here. क्या आ रहा है remainder? 3 आ रहा है. 3 आ रहा है. Second step में this number will have the same unit digit as 7 के पार 3 will have. 7 के पार 3 पे what will be the unit digit? 3 आ रहा है. So this number, इसको 5 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. 7 के पार 5 6 7. So इसमें unit place पे it will be 3. Then some number will come. If we divide by 5, what will be the remainder? 3. 3 will be the remainder. And what other approach you followed? 3 आंसर आ रहा था आप लोगों का, I guess. आ रहा था ना? ऐसे ही आ रहा था? This way? Correct. Very good. अच्छा, cyclicity वाले से किया था. अच्छा. So this way we can get the answers. ठीक है. अच्छा, इसके अलावा one more type of question UPSC is asking कि this way, like this year and last year also one question was asked on this pattern. "91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. इसको we are dividing by 12 6 1 1 2 6 1. So the question is, what is the remainder? What is the remainder when 91 multiplied till 99 divided by 12 6 1? So we need to calculate here what is the remainder. What is the remainder? So this question came this year's paper. और last year में same pattern पे 12 6 1 की जगह पे 12 9 7 or something was there. If this way, what we have seen till now, कि the numbers by which we are dividing, these are like 2 4 6 7, only one digit number was there. But when we get this number more than like 10, so 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit number if you are getting, so first we need to do this thing ki what can be the factors, what can be the factors of this 12 6 1. These questions are framed this way so that we get some factors. Options are this way. इसमें options ऐसे था 1 2 3 0. And these questions are set this way कि one of these numbers will be factor. Factors, if we want to calculate, what we can do? 3 से will divide, 2 से, 3 से 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 11 से it is getting divided, 12, 6, 1. 12, 6, 1. 11 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, 12 से इट विल नॉट, 13 से 1 आ रहा है रिमाइंडर, 13 से एक बार करके देखो फिर से, 13 से इज इट हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स 13 इज वन ऑफ द फैक्टर. 13 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई, so this is the factor we are getting, 13 into 97. So 12, 6, 1, at this place we can write 13 into 97. This 97 से 97, then this 13 से, so दोनों नंबर से it is completely divisible. That mean we can say कि remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Correct? हाँ, दोनों कट हो गए इसलिए. That means this whole number is dividing this number completely. Remainder is 0. पेयर से कैसे? That is for. So this way, in these kind of questions, if the numbers in the denominator is like 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, what we are going to do? We are going to take factors. And how we are going to take factors? कि पहले 2 से डिवाइड करके देख लेंगे, 3, 4. This way we are going to proceed. 11 से 13, 17, 19. This way we need to see the factors. One of the numbers will be the factor. Correct? So this way आंसर निकाल सकते हैं इसका. करेक्ट? I mean, you are saying कि 5-digit number, 6-digit number. Actually, they will not ask this way. In SSC also, 4 digits से ऊपर they don't go. So UPSC also will not follow that. If they are following this way, कि 4 or 5-digit number they are providing, then also we can get the factors. Like 13 factor, 1 factor, 13 is coming. So 12, 6, 1 को 13 से divide करेंगे तभी तो आया 97. So this way we need to take factors. Factors we need to take. We'll see कि one of these numbers will be the factors. This way. याद नहीं करना पड़ेगा कुछ. क्या याद करना पड़ेगा? I mean, this 13. No, I am just telling you कि how we calculate factors. Like here 12, 6, 1 में what we have seen कि we have started with 2. 2 से 3 से 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 से नहीं जा रहा है. तो many student they left this. अगर 13 पे चेक किया होता तो 13 पे 1 factor was there. So what I am saying कि when you are taking factors, these numbers are set this way कि एक prime factor 13, 17, 19, this way one prime factor they provide. So prime numbers की ओर जाना है. Correct. So this way we can understand. अच्छा, so I think many questions we discussed on this unit digit. Now we can start this listing of numbers. Listing of numbers पे भी questions are asked. Yes. Okay. That is why this question came. Like you are saying कि 4 के पार 68. We are dividing by 192. What remainder we are getting here? What remainder we are getting here? तो 192 के factors. We'll take 192 के factors. 4 के पार 68. What are 192 के फैक्टर्स? 192 के फैक्टर्स 2 भी होगा. 2 इंटू कितना आएगा इधर? ये कितना आया? 91. इसको फर्दर वी कैन राइट 96. यस 96. तो इसको फर्दर वी कैन राइट 2 के पार कितनी आएंगी? इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करते जाओ. 24 इंटू 4 ऐसे 24 इंटू 4. ये 2 है. 2 24. इसको क्या लिखेंगे? आई मीन 2 के पार 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 4. सो व्हाट इज कमिंग हियर? 2 के पार 4 और 2 6. This we can write. This we can write 2 के पार 6. 32 into 3 96. So what we are doing here? 2 के पार 6 into 3. This is the number. ठीक है. अब see here. And the question is, we are looking for remainder. We are looking for remainder. So 4 के पार 68. So we can write 2 के पार 68 into 2 कितना आ जाएगा? 136 divided by 2 के पार 6 into 3. This is clear till now? Now we can further simplify it. 2 के पार 6 ऊपर से कटेगा. We can write this way. 2 के पार 6 into 2 के पार 130 divided by 2 के पार 6 into 3. This way. This way we can write. This will get cancelled out. So what we are doing? We are dividing by 2 के पार 6. Here also we are dividing by 2 के पार 6. This is to be noted. I mean 2 बार तभी तो 2 पर 6 जाएगा, 3 आएगा नीचे. डायरेक्टली ले लो, वही कर रहे हैं. जस्ट दिस आइडिया वी नीड टू हैव फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप टू कैलकुलेट रिमाइंडर्स. जस्ट सी, इसको कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. अभी देखो यहाँ पे इतना किया हमने. 2 के पार 6 कैंसिल हो गया. व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग हियर? 2 के पार 130 by 3. Here what remainder we are going to get? How? 2 के पार वाली cyclicity we know. 2 के पार even odd number remainder will be 2. 2 के पार even number remainder will be 1. So 2 के पार even number we are dividing by 3. What remainder we are getting? 1 मिल रहा है. 1. But 1 will not be the answer. What will be the answer? किससे डिवाइड किया है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को? उससे will multiply. This will be our answer. This is the thing. This is the thing we need to understand. अब ये 2 के पार 6 की वैल्यू क्या है? 64. 64. एंड किससे we were dividing? 192 से. That means 192 से छोटा है. That means we can take that value. But why we are doing this? If we are not able to understand, we'll take smaller number. Like 34 को if we divide by 4, what remainder we are getting? 2. ऐसे ही कर लिया. But if we simplify, we can write 34 को 2 into 17, 2 into 2. 2 cancel कर दिया. What remainder here? 17 को if we divide by 2, what remainder we are getting? 1. But that is not 2. Why this 2 will come? How this 2 will come? What we have done? Here also 2 से divide किया है. Here also 2 से divide किया है. This 4 को अगर ये भी नहीं देखना है, just see this denominator. Earlier it was 4. Now it is 2. So how we can get 4? 2 में 2 से multiply करेंगे, then only we can get 4. So here also we need to multiply by the same thing we have applied here. This way also new things you are developing. So new ideas new approach we are getting here. So if this way questions are asked, this is the approach we can follow. Understood this? कि what we are doing? ठीक है, तो ये अंडरस्टैंड, इसको लिख लो अच्छे से. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड. व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? 2 के पार 4 के पार 4 के पार 68 and that is divided by 192. What remainder we can get? What remainder we can get here? Correct. This is the question. How we can solve this? First step में we'll simplify this. So what we are getting? 4 के पार 68 को we can write 2 के पार 136 and in the denominator we'll take the factors of 192. What we are getting? क्या मिला था? 2 के पार 6 multiplied by 3. Correct. This we have got. Then what we did? डायरेक्ट ही काटना है. Why we are doing this? To get the remainders. Because question में ये नहीं पूछा है. Question में it is asked कि 2 के पार 136 को we are dividing by 2 के पार 6 multiplied by 3. What will be the remainder? But what we are calculating in the next step, 2 के पार 6 से काटा, so what we are getting? 2 के पार 130 by 3. This is not our question. Here we are dividing by 3 and we are getting remainders. So every time here remainder will be coming less than 3. That cannot be more than 3. But when we are dividing this number by this number, 2 के पार 6 into 3, the remainder can come less than 192. Any number it can take. But here we are limited to just 1 and 2. This cannot be the answer. Because question it is asked, the number is getting divided by this number, not 3. But after simplifying, we are getting this. Correct. So here what remainder we are getting? ये तो cyclicity है. 2 के पार even number divide by 3. What remainder we are getting? थ्री से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो what remainder we are getting? 1. But this remainder we are getting when we dividing, we are dividing by 3. But we are dividing by which number? 2 के पार 6 into 3. So the final remainder will be 2 के पार 6 into 1. The same way, 64 can be the remainder. 192 से we are dividing ना, so 64 can be the possibility. So this way we'll get the. So whenever we get any question this way, we are going to approach this thing. कि if we are getting smaller number after simplification, so what simplification process we have followed? यहाँ पे we are getting 3. So we'll see in actual number with with which number we are multiplying, we are getting this number. Remainder में भी उस number से we need to multiply. And we have taken the smaller example. 34 को if we have divided by 4. So what remainder we are getting here? 2. But if we are simplifying, इसको 34 को we can write 2 into 17. इसको 2 into 2. ये cancel हुआ. So 17 को 2 से if we are dividing, what remainder we are getting? 1. But 1 is not the remainder for this. The remainder will be here denominator में 2 है. Here we are having 4. So how we can get this 4? We need to multiply by 2. So remainder में भी we need to multiply by the same thing we have done here. The same thing we have done here. Correct? Understood? So this also we discussed. Then we can start listing of numbers. Listing of numbers. इसमें the first variation is this way. Suppose it is given कि between 10 and 20 including both the numbers, how many numbers are there such as 2 is coming at unit place? How many such numbers are there such as 2 is coming at unit place? So we need to count here. So listing of numbers mein basically they are asking question on counting. Ki how many such numbers are there? So here, how many numbers? 10 and 20 mein how many numbers? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 till 20. How many such numbers are there which are having 2 at unit place? Only one. Very simple. So counting is 1. Only one such number. Correct? Okay, I will come to that, Abhishek. Ki 4 ke power 68, 192, 68 by 4. So take r is equal to 4. Then this. अभी इस पे वेलकम. अभिषेक ने भी एक तरीका बताया हुआ है. If it is written like 10 to 100, including both the numbers, how many numbers are such that 2 is coming at unit place? Very simple. So we can make different segments. 10 से 20, 21 से 30, 31 से 40, this way till 90 to 100. So how many segments? 9 segments total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 segments are there. And each segment 10 से 20 में only 12 is that number. 21 to 30 only 22 is that number. Again 1, here also 1, here also 1. So everywhere one such number is there. So we can say total number 9 segments, each segment may one such number, total 9 such numbers. Very simple. If this way they are asking like 0 to 1000, how many such numbers are there which have 2 at unit digit? This is also very simple. So first variation is very, very simple. So they are asking about ki like at unit place pe 2 is there, at unit place pe 4 is there, at unit place pe 7, 8, 9. This way they ask questions. Correct. So yahan pe how many such numbers are there which are having 2 at unit place? 2 at unit place. So how we can make segments here? 0 to 100. 101 to 200, then 1 to 300, this way 901 to 1000. So total segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 9? 10 segments, total 10 segments. And each segment may, how many such numbers are there? 0 to 100, how many segments we can make? 10, 10k, 100 by 10, 10 segments we can make. Each segment may one number, such number is coming. Total 10 such numbers. Here also 10. Everywhere 10 such numbers will get. So total 10 segments. Each segment may 10 such numbers. Total 100 such numbers are there. Very simple question. The same way the question was asked last year. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000? So that okay, so that such that the digit 8 occupies unit place. Digit 8 occupies unit place. $90 आएगा. So here also we can go this way. We'll make segments. This way. 500, 600, this way we'll make segments. अब each segment में 100 से 200 में we'll make 10 का segments. 100 से 110, then 11 से 20, 21 से 30. This way we'll make different segments. And each segment में how many such numbers are coming where 8 occupies unit place? Like 108, 118, 128, 138. So each segment में one such number will be there. So total segments 10. Each segment में one such number is coming. So 10 such numbers we can find out. 10 such numbers everywhere. 10 such numbers. ऐसे ही it will repeat it like 301 से 400 में 308, 318, 328, 338. This way total 10 such numbers are coming. So 10, 10, 10. How many segments? 9 or 10? 9 segments. 9 segments. Each segment may we have 10 such numbers. Total 90 such numbers are there. Total 90 such numbers. So very simple. This way we can proceed. इसमें we just need to see कि how we are framing such numbers. Correct? So Abhishek, what you are doing here, like 4k power 68 in the previous question, Abhishek has given this idea. Previous question, इसको समझ लिया? We'll try to do some more variation on this. Abhishek is saying this 4k power 68. We are dividing by 192. So here he is calculating for unit digit. This you want to say? कि then 68 by 4. So यहाँ पे cyclicity वाला concept you are applying. If 4 say you are dividing, r is coming 0. So take r is equal to 4. That formula we cannot apply here. That is related to unit digit. While applying that formula, we'll get 4k power 68 में unit digit पे क्या आएगा? Correct? वो formula will not apply. In this case, answer is coming same like 64, है ना? सेम नहीं आएगा, इसमें सेम किया है इन्होंने 4k power 4 ऐसे किया हुआ है. हाँ, नहीं वो नहीं करना है. That I want to say here कि this thing we cannot apply, Abhishek. We'll go the same way we applied in the previous question. The approach we are going to follow, this one, the previous one. With this, we'll get incorrect answer. हाँ, 256 को here Abhishek has divided 192 से. So 192 से. So remainder is coming 64. That concept we cannot apply. Correct, Abhishek? With this we are getting the same thing, but will not apply that. Acha. Then second variation here is UPSC is asking this way, like unit digit pe they are asking question. Then second variation they are asking ki sum of digits. Sum of digits pe they are asking question. Earlier digits pe they were asking, now sum of digits. Like 10 to 20, including both 10 and 20. How many such numbers are there for which sum of digits is 2. Sum of digit is 2. Correct? So this is the question. Ki how many such numbers are there? We need to count those numbers. So 10 say 20, 10, 11, 12, 13. This way we can move till 20. How many such numbers are there where we are getting sum as 2? Sum of digits. 1 plus 0 here. 1 plus 0 it is coming 1. Will not take this. 1 plus 1 we are getting 2. We'll take this. This is one such number. Then 1 plus 2. 3 here. 1 plus 3 4. So we are going to get 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 8, 1 plus 9. So every time we are getting sum of digit more than 2. But 2 0 यहाँ पे we are getting 2 plus 0 2. So we'll take this number. So 2 such numbers are there. The answer for this question, how many such numbers? 2 such numbers are there. 2 such numbers are there. Correct? After this it will come. I mean, how many times 7 come? मतलब वो भी आएगा अभी कि digits at all the places. Correct. That will come. That is another variation. अभी तो unit digit वाला देखा. Then all the digits, sum of digits we are doing. After this that will come. बस हो गया टाइम? अच्छा, जस्ट वन क्वेश्चन, इस ये वाला कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, जस्ट दिस। इसमें क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग? सम ऑफ डिजिट्स। अच्छा, सो इफ द क्वेश्चन इज दिस वे, 10 to 100, 10 to 100, the listing of number is given. The question is कि how many such numbers are there, how many such numbers are there for which sum of digits is coming to 2. So we'll make segments. Segments कैसे बनाएंगे? We'll start with 20 to 30, 31 to 40, 40 to included 10 include करेंगे, including both the numbers. The same question, 10 and 100 both included. So in this segment, 10 to 20 में 1, 11, then 20, 2 such numbers. Then in this segment, 21, 22, 23, 24. नहीं, sum of digits for these numbers only. वो तो दूसरा नंबर मिल गया ना, जैसे what you are saying कि 29, this is number 29. What is sum of digits? 11. 11 is not 2, so will not take it. टाइम हो गया ज्यादा। सी हियर दीज, हाँ अभी देखते हैं कहीं आ सकता है क्या, नहीं आएगा तो फिर भैया सॉरी सॉरी। सी हियर, तो इन दिस सेक्शन, इन दिस सेगमेंट व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 0, ये 11 इज सम ऑफ डिजिट्स, 11 तो सम ऑफ डिजिट्स आ रहा है ना, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द नंबर विच इज 10 to 100। 11 तो ऑलरेडी काउंट कर लिया है हमने 11 के बाद, फिर दूसरी तीसरी बार नहीं ऑपरेशन करना है, ऐसे ऐसे तो बहुत सारे नंबर्स आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, 21 to 30, हाउ मेनी सच नंबर्स? 0, यहाँ पे 0, हियर 0, so everywhere we are getting no such numbers where sum of digits is coming to, so total counting कितनी आ गई? 2। अगर यही 0 से स्टार्ट होता, 0 to 100, 2 वाला भी आ जाता था, सम ऑफ डिजिट्स वो तो 2 है, तो 1 विल बी एडेड, तब 0 to 100 अगर होता, we get answer as 3 such number. So we'll continue from this part, we'll discuss more questions। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में। नेक्स्ट क्लास अब है फ्राइडे, सो वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग दिस वे। ऐसे अगर बहुत ब्रेक आ जाता है तो इट्स लाइक मैं भी भूल जाता हूँ व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, लाइक दिस इज माय सेकंड क्लास टुडे। ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन।